Hello, and welcome to the Paybox Landlord Interface tutorial series. In this video, we'll be looking at the device management screen. First, select devices in the Landlord Management interface. On this screen, you can search for your available devices using a device ID, use a price calculator, add a new device, and look at all the devices you currently have enabled with the payboxtimer.com website. You can look and organize by paybox number, label, landlord email, duration that the box is set, the coin type, whether the box is enabled, when the firmware was installed, and if the firmware has been updated. You may select a different amount of results to see and cycle through multiple pages using the left and right arrows. You may also update and refresh your list just in case you have somebody else adding devices on your behalf. Thank you.